English tips, English tricks, English shortcuts, how to learn English easily, how to learn English quickly, how to do this, how to do that. So this video is for all of those students. Assalamu alaikum, this is me Muhammad Hasnan once again with all of you people today on our today's latest amazing and new video with all of you people. Today is going to be another one of those usual days where we are talking about English language, its tips and tricks, how to improve English language and how to improve all of English actually, not just your language. So today we are going to be talking about the one and only, the most important thing, which is English language tips and tricks. Not important to me because I don't believe in tips or shortcuts, but to everyone that says again and again that can we please have English tips, English tricks, English shortcuts, how to learn English easily, how to learn English quickly, how to do this, how to do that. So this video is for all of those students. Now in this video I'm going to be giving you guys a few tips about those English language different tricks that can help you in learning English language and much more. So without further ado, let us begin. First of all, my number one tip would be improve your reading of English language by this trick. When you are reading books in English, don't just read normal books. For example, there is a Urdu book. एक उर्दू की एक पोएम है या उर्दू की एक किताब है. उस किताब को आप उर्दू के अंदर पढ़ें या जोन सी भी किताब है, आपने पहले उर्दू के अंदर उस किताब को पढ़ा है, you have read that book in English or in Urdu, so read that book again but in English. Now you may say ये किताब तो हमने पढ़ी है, why should we read that book again? So let me teach you, let me explain to you what the benefit of reading the same book but in a different language would be. That when you are confused, जब आप confused हो जाते हैं, for example एक passage है, उसको आप रीड नहीं कर पा रहे, यू आर कन्फ्यूज्ड, यू आर अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, यू आर अनेबल टू रीड दैट सर्टेन पैसेज और दैट सर्टेन पैराग्राफ. So when you have read the book previously in Urdu, in English, in Pashto, in any language that you speak natively, in that language, when you have read that book previously, your mind will automatically give you an idea of what's happening. So you will be a lot more clueful. You'll not be clueless. You'll not be just thinking of what's happening. You'll have an idea of what's being spoken. और जब आपके पास एक idea होता है, when you have an idea of what's being spoken, what's being discussed, what's being told, you are easily able to understand, you are easily able to articulate it and translate it into a few words. What this does is it just helps us a lot, and I believe it makes the whole reading a lot better, क्योंकि आप instead of just reading to learn English language, you also read because you are having fun while reading, which is a very big and very much important thing that we should make sure we are continuously doing. Okay, next up what I want to say is that you should listen to movies and music. Now you may say, this is a tip and trick that you have said a million times, why should we do it this time? Let me teach you. Now what happens is when you have the subtitle on, first of all, for example, you're watching a TV show or you're watching music that is in, say, Urdu or in, say, Hindi or Pashto or Afghani or whatever place you're from. Whichever place you're from, that place has its own language. So whatever language is spoken in the movie. Now I don't want you to watch English movies. Here it's a totally different thing. English की फिल्म ना देखें, यहाँ पर मैं उल्टा कर रहा हूँ. आप देखें उर्दू, हिंदी, जौन से भी आपकी लैंग्वेज है, पुश्तो, फारसी, जो सी भी, आप उस लैंग्वेज की एक जौन सी भी फिल्म है, जौन सी भी आप कह सकते हैं प्ले है, एक्ट है, जो कुछ भी है, आप उसे देखें और सबटाइटल्स ऑन करें in English language. Now here it's reverse. Before I used to tell you that watch English language movies, turn on Urdu subtitles to understand better. Now here it's opposite. I want you to watch an English movie, but Urdu movie, but with English language subtitles. And while the whole film is going on or while the whole play is happening, I want you to read the whole time. जब ये सारी की सारी फिल्म चल रही हो, आपने subtitles read करने हैं मुसलसल. What this does is it gives you better cognitive powers, it helps you in reading, it helps you in understanding, and it gives you a more sense of what these words mean. आपको एक sense मिलता है, आपको एक grammatical sense, एक structural sense, एक आप कह सकते हैं grammatical, in every way your English just gets better. And that's the simple trick. अब बात करते हैं music के बारे में. Music, it's the same old thing, it's the same old trick. Listen to English music. If you don't understand it, go search its lyrics and translate it. That's the simple trick which will help you a lot in improving your accent and pronunciation. Last but not least, my last trick is find a partner for English language. Now I know this is very much difficult to do in nowadays, but I don't want you to go on websites or go on apps to talk to native language speakers. No. Anyone who is learning English language and you have a good friendship with, that person is someone you call your English language partner. What happens is, जब आपका एक पार्टनर होता है जिसके साथ आप हॉबीज शेयर करते हैं, जो जिनका सेम टेस्ट होता है एक दूसरे के साथ, तो जब आप कहीं बाहर जाते हैं, जब आप कहीं एंजॉय करते हैं, तो क्या होता है, क्योंकि आपका सेम टेस्ट है, आप ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड होते हैं कि मैं इस चीज़ के ऊपर बात करूँगा, मैं ये चीज़ उन्हें बताऊँगा, वो मुझे ये चीज़ बताएंगे। तो वो एक सुनने का एक एक्साइटमेंट होती है बंदे के अंदर, जो कि एक नॉर्मल इंटरेक्शन से नहीं आती. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड योर सेल्फ अ फ्रेंड, यू नीड टू फाइंड योर सेल्फ अ बडी दैट विल मेक यू एक्साइटेड एंड ऑल द वाइल यू आर लर्निंग English language. That is all for today. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.